Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL headphones with your Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to power on your headphones by using this power button. So let's turn it on. And then you have to click and hold this Bluetooth button until indicator turns blue. There we go. And right now all you have to do is just to open the settings. Then go to the Bluetooth and devices, click on the switcher and then tap to add device and select the Bluetooth device. Right now we have to select your JBL Quantum 810. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And also there's a second method to do this. If you don't have the built-in Bluetooth, you have to use this wireless adapter. So it looks like that. Pretty simple. And let me show you how to do this. So I'm gonna zoom out. And first we have to plug this adapter into the USB port. So I'm gonna show you how it looks in my case. That's my laptop and the USB is actually located just right here. So I have to plug this adapter right here. And then on my laptop, of course, I'm gonna unpair this current connection. So I'm gonna remove this device. And also I'm going to restart my headphones. So I'm gonna turn them off with the power button, turn them off. There we go. And then just turn them on back. Now, as you can see right now, they blinks for a few times, and it means that we are connected. And if you are looking for this connection, you will find it by going to the system sound settings. So let me show you. You have to open the sound settings. And as you can see, you will be connected with your wireless headphones, the JBL Quantum N110 wireless. Also, there's the microphone that you can find below. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.